Okay, here's the stock radio in the 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe, and I'm going to be changing it out for the dual aftermarket stereo. Okay, here I did a review on unboxing this dual DC505iBT stereo tuner, and here is it installed. It's got your different modes here: auxiliary import, your Bluetooth, your tuner, you got your phone to answer, to shut it off, your USB port here. I don't know if you've seen that. I got the phone over here, the mode here, the on and off here, your audio types to get your bass, your treble, your fader, your equalizer band. You got your preset import or preset buttons here, your search and scan button here, your port for your cord if you want to connect it to your phone if you're not using Bluetooth or anything. It doesn't have CD capabilities. It was easy to put in, just the wiring harness from the stock factory wiring harness to the stereo and your antenna. And once again, I got it from Crutchfields, and I would play it, but YouTube's copyright infringements or whatever would flag me, I think, so I'm not going to deal with that. But it does play good, sounds good, and it's a good little stereo if you want to just be able to Bluetooth stuff or connect things to it for a good little price. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. If you got any questions, I'll try to answer anything you got.